we do in 21 minutes is sufficient to receive abundant cosmic energy. When I get onto the bed, I just go into sleep without my notice, which has been very difficult for many years in my life. There is no baggage in my mind, be it happiness or be it stress. That moment is completed. What else would a man on the earth need apart from this? In this big world, he is always surrounded and protected by three great masters. And now I can proudly and happily say that yes, I am a best mother and I am a best wife. Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Om Sushumna. My humble pranams to the lotus feet of Paramaguru Sri 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 Bhoganatha Siddhar Garu, Sri 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 Mahavatar Babaji Garu, and Pujya Guruma Pujya Sri Atmanandamai Amma Garu. I am Ramya. I have been practicing Sushumna Kriya Yoga from 2 years. In Bangalore, one of my friends has introduced me to Uma Garu, who is a Sushumna Kriya Yogi. Uma Garu has given me the Diksha of Sushumna Kriya Yoga, and I started practicing for a week. Within a week, I have seen major changes in my lifestyle. My health has improved, my emotional health also has improved. So I felt very much connected with the meditation, and immediately I thought I have to make my husband and my son also practice Sushumna Kriya Yoga. So the next week, we three went to Uma Garu and she has given us the Diksha of Sushumna Kriya Yoga. From last 2 years, me, my husband and my son, we are practicing Sushumna Kriya Yoga regularly. Before coming to Sushumna Kriya Yoga, I was just existing. After being a Sushumna Kriya Yoga practitioner, I am living. What else a person on the earth would need? It's something like we have to experience life, and that is given by Sushumna Kriya Yoga. Earlier, I was always worried about unnecessary thoughts, meaningless fears, and various emotional imbalances. But once I turned to be a Sushumna Kriya Yogi, now I am able to lead a relaxed, stress-free, blissful life. Relaxed in the sense, I always think that I used to carry a baggage of weight, say 20 kgs or 30 kgs, kind of, be it emotional or physical health or anything. Always my baggage used to be very heavy. Once I stepped into Sushumna Kriya Yoga, I observed that day after day, someone is removing the weight from my bag. So one day the bag turned to be a feather weight. So now I'm not carrying any baggage in my mind. I'm just living in the present moment. I don't go back to the past. I don't think of future. I live in this moment, because past is something I can't change. Future is something I don't know. This is the moment where I can experience life. That is what modern man is really lacking. Being a student or being a professional, everyone is looking for their inner peace. And that inner peace is gifted to Sushumna Kriya Yogis by Paramagurus and Amma Garu by just practicing 49 minutes or 21 minutes of Sushumna Kriya Yoga. In this modern world, 21 minutes, we don't even, what can we do in 21 minutes? Can we walk for a few kilometers? Can we complete cooking? So 21 minutes is something that is really not sufficient to do any activity effectively. But 21 minutes of meditation is sufficient to receive abundant cosmic energy into our body. And once the cosmic energy enters your body, miracles start happening. Miracle doesn't mean something that we don't know. The very existence of ourselves is a miracle. I get up tomorrow in the morning and I see I'm alive. That itself is a miracle. I get food on my plate on time. That's a miracle. When I get onto the bed, I just go into sleep without my notice, which has been very difficult for many years in my life. So, even if I am served food in a golden plate with full of delicious dishes, I was never happy. The reason because I was not having the inner peace. But now, with the practice of Sushumna Kriya Yoga, just a small bowl of rice with a pickle would make me enjoy that meal. Whenever I touch the food, I feel that it is a gift of Ammagaru. Whenever I touch a tree, I touch a leaf, I experience life in it, which I don't know all these years, which I was only reading in poetry. I think whenever I read a book full of poetry, which talks about life, which talks about experiencing things around, the blissful blessing from the sun in the morning, the stars in the sky, the cold breeze from the leaves of a tree, the beautiful breeze from a ocean, from a seaside. I was not experiencing all this. I thought it's only stick to books or poetry. But with Sushumna Kriya Yoga, I'm experiencing every moment. That's really a gift of gurus to all the Sushumna Kriya Yogis. We don't really need wonders to happen in life. You don't really have to be a billionaire or a great personality. You can be a common man and you can lead a happy life. So now today in this moment, what I experience is like, I don't think of anything that just crossed my way. Let's say I go to a hotel and I have a good food. I relish the food there and I'm happy. Once I come out, there is nothing that stays in my mind. And if someone praises me, that moment I feel happy and the next moment I forget it. If someone hurts me, that moment I say Mangalam Nicha Sumangalam to them and the next moment I forget it. So there is no baggage in my mind, be it happiness or be it stress. That moment is completed. So I just see what is this present moment giving me. This is the blissful gift that Paramagurus and Ammagaru has given. What else would a man on the earth need apart from this? I always remember Ammagaru saying in her preachings that once Krishna Paramatma was telling Uddhava, give one thing to the world that the world will never look back for anything else. So as a woman, I always had this query. Am I being a perfect mother? Am I being a perfect wife? I don't know the definition of a perfect mother or a perfect wife, but I want to be perfect. However best I tried, I always see something is lacking. I don't know what it is. And when I stepped into Sushumna Kriya Yoga and when I experienced the divine connection of Paramagurus and Ammagaru, I have introduced Kriya Yoga to my husband and my son. And now I can proudly and happily say that, yes, I am a best mother and I am a best wife. Why? Because as Ammagaru told, I have given one such thing to my husband and my son that they would not have that they need not look for anything else. That is Sushumna Kriya Yoga. And I always have so much fear factor in my mind. I practiced many things, but none of them could bring me out of my fear. When the fear moment arises, I would experience so much stress in my mind. For every small thing, I used to fear a lot. And now, yes, still the fear moments appear, but they'll stay for only seconds or just minutes. They quickly go off. Why? Because whenever some fear steps into my mind, I immediately call Mahavatar Babaji Garu. I say to my mind, I say in my heart, Babaji, please help me. Babaji, please help me. And immediately I see there is a change in the energy around, and immediately my inner peace turns to be very, very happy. I experience a lot of inner peace, and I don't go through stress anymore. So sometimes my son asks me when it is dark or something scares him, he says, Mom, I'm scared. So if I would have been an old person, old Ramya, I would have told, don't be scared, or if you're scared, call someone, call your friends, call mom. But will I be always around him? He'll grow up, then who will be around him? Will his friends be always around him? No, right? So there is one who will always be around you, that is your Guru. So I thought from childhood, I'll introduce my son to his Guru. So I tell my son, you call Mahavatar Babaji. Whenever you're scared, you just place your hands on your heart and say, Babaji, please help me. Then Babaji will immediately come and he'll help you. So that is something my son has been practicing from few months. So sometimes if I am scared, he says, Mummy, call Babaji. And I have Guruma photo in our house. So he takes me to Guruma and he says, Guruma, please talk to my mom. Mom, please talk to Guruma. So that is something I feel so overwhelmed. Why? Because he knows, I mean, with the normal eye, we can't see that Gurus are talking to us, right? With the normal eye, we don't experience it. But we experience their presence in the form of energy. So when a child understands that, when a child knows that, yes, you go and talk to the Guru's photo, and Guru will see you from the photo. Guru will bless you from the photo. That itself is an inner miracle. That is inner miracle actually. Because now, once he grows up, he goes to college, he goes to higher studies. So even if I am not around him, so whenever he needs some help, he is not scared. In this big world, he is always surrounded and protected by 3 great masters who would always look for his health, who would always help for his well-being. That is what me and my husband are also experiencing. Not just me, my husband also, sometimes he feels stressed, he immediately says Mangalam Nitya Subhamangalam and he sees a shift in the energy around. I heard from a master saying that our belief should be like that. We have to say to God, we should not say to God like, if you are there, you will protect me. That's not the right way of saying. You are there and you will protect me and I know it. That is the complete surrenderance. And I experience it with Sushumna Kriya Yoga. Because I always feel whenever I'm stressed, I'm not scared because my Gurus are around me. I'm always divinely protected. Even sometimes the situation appears confused, appears stressed, but I'm sure that stress won't last for a very long time. Yes, that stress is a part of process and it's a learning. So we have to go through that stress and we have to remember the lesson and we should not repeat it. There are always Gurus to help us. Earlier I was one such person, for just because if you are getting late, if you are getting late reaching your airport, or if some dish goes wrong in my cooking, or if some phone call upsets me, that used to trouble me a lot. But now I'm able to adjust to every situation. Yes, of course, we are getting late to airport, we are getting late to railway station. Yes. So what would I do by carrying stress now? I don't carry stress because I'm a Sushumna Kriya Yogi. My Gurus don't like me carrying stress. I have to always behave the way that my Gurus suggest. So what I do, I sit in the car, I put my hands in Yoga Mudra and I keep chanting Mangalam Nitya Subhamangalam. And I reach railway station on time, which doesn't really happen for a normal Ramya. Now, because I'm a Sushumna Kriya Yogi, my Gurus help me to go through the process very smooth. So, and whenever a stress appears, I understand this time that this is a learning for me. I have to go through this. Yes, it might be little stressful or painful. Of course, accept it. Go through it. You're not alone in this. Divine masters are around you. Bear it for some time and Gurus will pull you out of it. I experienced it many times. For some time, I carry a bag full of weight. It just shivers me sometimes, shakes me. After some time, immediately I experience a feather weight of bag in my hand. So I'm okay to carry that minor minor time of stress. Why? Because this time I know the stress is not going to last long. My gurus are there to take care. So every second I experience the divine presence of gurus. That makes me more confident. And now also at this moment, I strongly believe that it's not me who is talking. Gurus are making me say this in my inner miracle. So I suggest everyone to practice Sushumna Kriya Yoga, because that's the best gift you can give to your family. We always search for what is the best gift to give to our family for a birthday or special occasions. Gift your family Sushumna Kriya Yoga and make them experience the bliss and joy on this earth. We don't have to go to Himalayas, or we don't have to become a sannyasi to experience happiness. Stay in your house, stay in your room, just practice Sushumna Kriya Yoga for 21 minutes or 49 minutes as per your convenience, and you will see wonders in life. You will be happy with what you have. I was one such person who always expected to be surrounded by people, talking, gossiping, everything. But now all the thoughts moved away from me. I am happy with myself. Wherever I sit, be it in train, be it in office or any place I sit, I do my work and I just put my hands in Yoga Mudra. I keep talking to my gurus in my heart. So I'm not really bothered that someone has to call me, someone has to check, Ramya, how are you doing? Someone has to spend some time talking to me and knowing about my well-being. No, why should I waste others' time now? They have their own journey. Let them go on. Then how I will be? Because now I have my gurus. Whatever I have, they are there to listen. If I am very happy, I thank my gurus and I get into seva. Immediately, if I am very happy, my next thought would be, let me find someone to whom I can explain Sushumna Kriya Yoga. If I am stressed, I feel, yes, I am stressed. What can I do by carrying the stress? Let me find someone to whom I can explain Sushumna Kriya Yoga. So, for stress and happiness, my only go-to thing is explaining Sushumna Kriya Yoga to some person and bringing change in their life. When I do that, I immediately see a change in the energy around me shifts, and I experience a change. So you practice Sushumna Kriya Yoga and you gift Sushumna Kriya Yoga to all the well-wishers. Even if you don't know them, be a new person, someone who sits next to your train. Maybe they can be a Sushumna Kriya Yogi in future. We don't know. So just share the pamphlet of Sushumna Kriya Yoga. Ask them to capture a picture of it. One day miracle would definitely step in their life. I'm so blessed to be a Sushumna Kriya Yogi. Earlier, all the degrees I was holding, an engineer, a professional, whatever be, but the best degree I have in my life and I will have always is a Sushumna Kriya Yogi. So you all give that best degree to all your well-wishers and miracles start flowing in your life. Thank you so much for giving me this blissful opportunity. Om Sushumna Mangalam Nitya Subhamangalam.